So this is the home page for Bridge Horizon. There's a free 3 different components to the home page. On the very top hand side, there is a nice welcome message. Right below that, you have a track bar which tracks your data usage. On the very far right hand side, you will see this is the limit based upon your tier. And on the very far right left hand side, you will see that this is how much data you have actually used out of your total limit. Right below that, there's 3 different sections. This is the getting started page, or a set of tutorials for how to use Scenic Viewer as well as Bridge Horizon. This box over here, if you click upload, will take you to the data upload page. And this is the applications folder. Upon clicking here, it will take you directly to the applications page. On the top right hand side, the top right hand corner, you will see that there's a spinning gear. If you click that, it will allow you to switch from different layouts as well as between dark and light mode. And on the top right hand corner, you will also see that there is an image icon. If you click that, this will take you to your help page or your account, where you will be able to enter new password should it be necessary. Click Save Changes, and you're back to the home page.